we're ranking Blox fruits by how fun they are. And I put them in order. It took me so long. I'll let you guys know. Let me turn off my cubicle video. Okay, so now, Rocket. Well, meh. Well, the VFX are cool, but not fun. It's just meh. Spin, super boring. It should not be a fruit. It sucks. It's bad. It's just super boring. Now, Blade, on the other hand, is meh above Rocket because the moves are cool. Spring, super boring. You wanna know why? I can never hit any of his moves. Next up is Bomb. It's not super boring, it's not meh, and it's not fun. So, before the rework, I would have put it at very fun. But no, they had to rework it and make it trash. Next up is Smoke. I would say this is meh, but at the bottom. It was like, yeah, it's just smoke attack. Next is Mini Dough, that I give not fun above Bomb. Just because you can port spikes, but actually, it's meh because you have spikes. Dark, it's meh. Above Blade though. No, actually, I'll put it at fun because you can teleport with the first awaken move, you know. Ice, we'll put it at fun but above Dark because the stun is just cool. Flame, in between because not much to say, it's just Flame. I know this looks like Falcon, but it's Eagle. Care what you guys have to say. Eagle is fun. Sand, very underrated fruit. I'd also give it fun, just underneath Eagle. Diamond, because it looks cool, I'll give it fun. Below Flame, actually, above Flame. Nope. There we go. Okay, now Light. Lights, it's fun. I'd say so again. I think it's above, yeah, just below Sand because Sand's fun. Rubber. Sand Pirates hates on this fruit and I don't know why. It's peak. So I'll put it right behind Eagle. Ghost. It's the first very fun. You wanna know why it's very fun? Because it's fun. Very fun to make clones. You know? No, Magma. I'll give it a meh tier. It's not fun because you can't see anything. But I'll actually put it the lowest because it's nice to see the numbers of damage stack up. Next is Dragon. That's Dragon East or West. I know it looks like it, but I don't care. We'll put it at very fun above Ghost because isn't it just fun to nuke the map? Raid bait people, then they call you dragon spammers, even though you're so skilled. Quake. I'm gonna put it at super boring, but yeah, I'll put it at super boring. Actually, I'll put it at not fun above Bomb. Let me put it above Bomb. There we go. It's all because the first move carries. With the screen crack, you know. Super fun. Buddha. Y'all gonna hate me. But Buddha is super boring. The lowest of, actually, I'll put it at the highest of super boring. You wanna know why? All you do is left click. Absolute trash. Now, love, on the other hand, that goes right here. You can make a best friend that tasks for you. You can fly and be annoying. What's there not to love? Now, creation. See, it's creation, not buried. I'll put it at fun, right above flame. Personally, I don't really like it. The teleporting gets on my nerves when I go through those things, but it's still fun to use, especially when I eat somebody with a mace. Next is sound, and I'll put it just above love because it's so much fun here. The moves, the moves sound cool, and it's just super cool to look at the disco ball. Next is portal. Y'all gonna hate me for this. Actually, I'll just put it above everything and very fun. Because, okay, it's just fun. You can teleport to a different dimension, run away skillfully. Now, Phoenix, I'll give it fun, but where? I'll give it above ice. Because it's fun to heal, It's fun to heal. Next is lightning. Okay. So lightning. I'll put it at fun above rubber and eagle. Because you can't tell me it's not fun to drop a nuke of a lightning ball on somebody's face. Next is pain. I shall put pain just above creation. Because it's fun to revive, and do all that damage with pain, but it's just not that fun. Well, it's fun, but with the other on fun tier, it can't be that much, okay? Now, blizzard, it's just below lightning. You can't tell me it's not fun to drop a domain on somebody, okay? Do you understand? Next is gravity. And best believe we have to put it at very fun above portal. It's so much fun when you skillfully fly on your meteor and hit a hollow purple. No, actually, an almighty pull. Like, okay, I drop a meteor on somebody's face. It's funny. Mammoth. I'll put in the most fun tier. Because, as you see, I'm a Koopa fan. When I see that mammoth teleporting on Koopa screen, because Sand Pirate's cooking them, yeah, it looks fun. It is fun. You get a nuke everything. You get to spam bosses on walls. Like, what's there not to love? Venom. Okay, I'll put it above creation. Because all it does is do some poison damage. But the transformation's cool. Fun. Dough. The bottom of very fun, actually. The bottom of very fun. Because it's fun to just do that to people. With infinite combos, but if you're grinding with it, GG's. It's not that fun. Some NPC gets knocked to the sky. Next is Tiger. Now, Tiger is golden. It's fun. Definitely more fun than Doe and Ghost, but I think Love's more fun. Honestly, it's just my opinion. Shadow. The most fun. Below Mammoth, though. Because Shadow, it has life. It's unique. It has a life leech, it has a domain. Plus, it's just a cool thing overall. Spirit. I shall put it in the med tier. Because I can spawn spirits, which is kind of fun. Actually, put it at the bottom of fun. Control. Let me think about this. I'll put it at the top of meh. Because, actually, it's super fun. What am I talking about? Below gravity. Now, here's a way the boots are not on this scuff. First is gas. It goes in the fun tier because you can explode the thing. Your Z move with whatever move, I don't know, I forgot. Rolled gas in first Z because I'm different like that. It's an alt account, don't worry. I'm an OG, trust. Now, Kitsune goes at the very top of very fun. Like, it's just Kitsune. It's fun. I feel like I'm forgetting a fruit.